I hope you're doing well. This is Nyumbani Concepts Talk right from Nyumbani Concepts headquarters here to Westlands, Western Heights building, first floor. So today we are going to talk about real estate sector. You know, as a leading company in Eastern and Central Africa, I mean, you know, many people think that it's quite an easy task and maybe everything is smooth. So today I'm going to talk to one of our sales representative and sales managers here to Nyumbani Concepts, Mr. Tom Duki, as we talk matters real estate. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
So can you maybe explain to us what are some of the challenges that you do face while you are at your fieldworks?
Thank you very much, Mr. Mutala, for this opportunity. In most cases, real estate is perceived as one of the industries that creates wealth very fast, but it also comes with its challenges, being some of which we have tried to tackle, we as a company. One of them being location. Secondly, being selling a concept to a client for something they've not seen. And thirdly is selling that trust to the potential client.
Yes.
These challenges have somewhat reduced the number of expectations in the real estate market. Yeah. And as Nyumbani Concepts, we've tried so hard and we have succeeded in actually tackling those setbacks.
All right. So maybe at your own personal level, maybe you can share with us some of the stories. You know, I hear that, you know, while you're in the field right now, you know, sometimes you experience awkward moments with the client, sometimes not getting to understand what you're doing. So what are some of the awkward moments that you have ever had during your fieldworks?
Some of the challenges that we faced is selling Offplan. Yeah. Selling Offplan has been one of the trickiest style of marketing we've ever had to embark on. And in most cases when we do this fieldwork, you're selling this idea into the mind of the client. Yes. So this is not something a client that will see physically, but you're selling trust. Yes. And you're selling hopes that this client will eventually get to move into their own house. Yes. And we've had instances where I have been turned back severally from clients who believe they can only buy a ready-made unit and not one that has not been constructed. Yeah. Because they don't have security, they don't know where their money is going to, they don't have the credibility of this company. Mm-hmm. So those are some of the challenges I personally have faced when we started embarking on this Offplan project.
Okay, so you have talked about the Offplan project, so maybe you can touch on the importance, or maybe what clients actually need to understand about the Offplan project and some of the some of the good things in the Offplan, and you can also talk about what is Offplan as compared to other types of housing programs.
You know, we are in this bracket of affordable housing, and what I would like clients to understand is that when I bring to you an Offplan concept, I'm actually cutting down the cost in constructing this house with you, because once I bring a client on board, we are actually partnering with that client in order to complete their house. So it is cost to cost of how we are building or developing that particular project of a client. So in Offplan, the good things about going Offplan is one, the houses are totally customizable. Me building your house is supposed to be your dream house, as to like you buying a ready house where you'll go back with a fully and correct where you've seen that you don't like. But in this case, when I sell you an Offplan project, it will be built according to your specifications. It's going to be 99 accurate of what you wanted in your construction.
Yes. So just talking about Nyumbani Concept, talking about the Offplan projects that you're having right now. So what makes Nyumbani Concepts unique as compared to other companies in the real estate sector?
Number one that makes Nyumbani Concepts stand out is timely delivery. And number two, we've always come up with new ideas that have not yet hit the market. Like we were the first company to come up with the flat roof design of a bungalow that was so affordable, unlike others that were being sold as a high-end unit. Secondly, we have embarked on the apartment project, first one for affordable housing. and we're building them in such a minimal budget to that every single Kenya or every single Mwananchi will afford that budget.
Yeah.
For as low as 2.75, you can have a roof over your head. With as little as 100,000 in terms of installments, you will have a roof over your head. So that is where Nyumbani Concepts beat the mark in providing affordable solutions for homeowners in Kenya.
Wow, that's very great. So, there are companies there or salespersons there. They want to know what is this, Nyumbani Concepts, of course, is one of the leading real estate companies in Eastern Central Africa. But maybe the other companies that want to come up or maybe be like Nyumbani Concepts, or maybe salespersons want to be like the sales executives here in Nyumbani Concepts. What are some of the mistakes that you have actually observed, because you have been in the sales industry for quite some time? So what are some of the mistakes that do people make, especially the salesperson, that you think they can correct and maybe make a fortune out of it?
When it comes to affordable housing, there is something you don't really emphasize in, and that is target client. You might be targeting a certain client, but initially there is that white collar job person that can also afford this home.
Yes.
Like when we are doing the apartments,
yes,
you not only chase for the people driving high-end cars and people living in luxurious homes. We look for that common Mwananchi that can afford 100,000 in terms of income every month. So the mistake that most of our sales agents do is that there is a particular group of people they want to go and meet.
Yeah.
Whereas in Nyumbani Concepts, we have covered the entire circle. These houses are for anybody and everybody,
yeah,
including the youth.
Yes.
Because with installments as low as 100,000, I don't think we have left anyone out of the bracket in terms of owning a home.
Yeah, it's affordable housing there.
And it is an affordable, yes, it is an affordable housing. So that is just what the sales agent should look into. Let them be flexible in accommodating almost everyone.
Yes.
It does not mean that when you go to Sarit Center is when you'll get a target client. You might go to Gikomba, you might go to Modhurwa Market, you might go to Marikiti Market, you might go to Githurai and also find a client.
Yes.
Someone who is running a business or someone being employed and is paying an apartment rent of 150,000 in terms of rent.
Yes.
That person can comfortably afford,
yes,
to live in their own apartment.
Yes.
That is well articulated and well tailored for their specific needs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bwananduki, and also thank you for sharing with us that amazing information about real estate. So for more information, you can call 0723 310 000 or 0704 310 000 or 0708 310 000. Remember, we are right here at Nyumbani Concepts headquarters here at Westlands Western Heights building, and this is Nyumbani Concepts, and this is home.